My name is Michael Weiner. I'm the CEO and founder of Vanguard LED Displays. We are at InfoComm 2025 in our booth showing some of our latest products. The product you're looking at right now is called Janus. It comes in a rolling road case where the display is in the road case, and as you can see in the video, it is coming up out of the case, and within a few seconds you're going to see the wings open up to provide for a 108-inch display. It also comes in a display of 136-inch diagonal. That was 108-inch diagonal. This can be either 136 2K or 4K. At 108 inches, it is 2K. The aspect ratio is 16:9, which means video shot in 16:9 can be shown perfectly in 16:9. Refresh rate is 3840 hertz. Frame is made out of die-cast aluminum, pixel IP41. That's ingress protection. I hope this was informative. If you want more information, please go to our website at www.vanguardled.com. Thank you for your attention.